Welcome to another brand new video. In today's video, we will show you how to create a Facebook page, and it's very easy. Just be with me for some time. First of all, we need to open a browser, and this process is like same for phone and laptop, anything. Okay. Now we need to go to Facebook. I have already logged into my account, so this is my account, and here you will see in the See More section. Click on See More. You will see here pages. Click on Pages. It will take you to a different interface, and here from here I will click on create new page. So I want to create a page for my business. You can easily create a page for your business, for yourself, like if you are a celebrity or something, or you can create page as far as you like, okay, for a organization. So I will create a page for my business, which is called like Urban Fox, not Urban Fox, Urban Wolf. It's a category that is Shopee. It's a shop, online shop, online. It's a clothing brand. Yes, here. It's a clothing shop, Urban Wolf. I will just create. You can click on clothing brand, clothing shop. It's my I have a clothing shop, so I will click on clothing shop. And bio, like it's an optional. I'm not writing it now. You can write as per your desire. What's you gonna write in your bio. So if you just click on create page, it will automatically create a new page for you. Okay, just it takes some time. So I don't have any website right now, so I will just give my mobile phone. From here I will select Bangladesh. Let me write down Bangladesh. Yeah, I will give my phone number. Here is my phone number. Sorry, you just can easily give your phone number here. I will give my email address. The location is in Rajshahi. So this the things that I'm writing it now, it's personally based on my personal things. You will give the information based on your life and your information. Okay, I'm just showing you how to like write it down. So always open. Sorry, open at selected hours. That is, sorry, I will just give it always open because I want to have a page that is always 24 hours open for everyone. Then go to next. I want let me just give some profile picture right now. From the pictures, yeah, this one is the cover picture I want to give, or I want to add a cover photo like this one. It's just for my just showing you guys, you can easily add pictures as per your desire. Okay, then add action button. Okay, I don't want anything else. I will give next. Now the page health is good. You can easily give your WhatsApp number. I don't want to give your my WhatsApp number right now. I will just click on I don't want, and you can easily invite friends. Okay, if you are creating a Facebook page, you need to invite your friends to your Facebook page. Otherwise, you can grow your page very quickly. Okay, I'll click on next. I don't want. I will invite my friends later on, and click on done. So you have seen it within a very few steps. You can easily create a Facebook page. This is your Facebook page, which is already this is my Facebook page, which is zero likes and zero followers. If you like, you can edit the pictures here, change the name here. From here, you can post, give live video, reels, everything. Okay, so within a very few simple steps, you can easily create a Facebook page in Facebook. And if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do let us in the comment section what kind of Facebook videos you like from us. We'll like try to make those videos for you. Have a good day. Thank you.